Hi guys, the Toyota Yaris GR is a car that all of the hype is about, and I'm still yet to drive one until today. The GR Yaris is famous for its punchy 3-cylinder 1.6 litre engine, producing 257 brake horsepower with a weight of only 1.3 tonnes, GR4 all-wheel drive and a manual gearbox. It's looking to be a great recipe. Mixed with creature comforts such as Apple CarPlay and Smart Entry, it's taken the sporty daily market by storm, but will set you back around £35,000. I have been particularly excited about the Yaris after almost getting one a year ago, and there's been so much hype around them that I've needed to have one, and finally it has happened. But is it going to live up to this hype? Has waiting too long meant I'm going to be disappointed? I don't think I am, but we'll see. As we are at Millbrook Proving Ground testing the GR range, the Yaris and I will be heading over to the hill route, if I don't get lost first. It is this way, isn't it? No. Am I on the wrong way?
Yeah.
How do I get back?
Just turn around.
Okay. They do say they are a rally car, so in my defence, it can technically rally. The engine is super punchy, it wants to keep going. And in terms of handling, it's so playful. It's just so happy being pushed. You see why these are such a popular car on track. Everyone wants one of these. The gearbox, although I think rev matching would be a nice addition, I'm pretty sure I can cope without it. Suspension wise, do you know what? I see why people daily these, because you're not breaking your back, you're not hating life as such. This is the bit I don't like. Ooh, Jesus. But these really are the king of the B-roads. Absolutely. You don't need power to have fun. That's been a thing from day one. And if you think about it, rally alone, it's not all about power, it's about how this car's going, handling and just the steering, the suspension, everything. This thing is just absolutely mega. I want to track one now. That is insane.
You can drive, like, we'll give you that.
Thank you. That's on camera.
That's staying in the video.
Now we've slowed down a bit, like I say, there's a little bit of concentration going on there, hence why I'm not talking quite as much, because I am getting lost very easily around here. But this is a truly, truly special car, and it 100% is worth the hype that people have given it. And I see why so many YouTubers like Matt Watson alone drives one of these and then buys one. I've understood they're a fantastic car and the history and everything along that, but actually now driving one, it's safe to say I want one. Whilst that was only a taster of what the Yaris GR is capable of, you can see the pedigree from the Rally Championship. And God, is that thing incredible. I only wish I could take it to track and push it harder. But for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.